Prince John. We're back out of here with another video. Today we're going to be fixing the trunk release on my G35. It's broke. When you hit the button or when you hit the switching inside by the steering column, it doesn't open. So to get your trunk open, there's a hidden feature in the G35s. It's going to be a red lever. You're going to have to reach your fingers in here, and there's a red lever right there. And you want to pull that. It's going to pull this tab up here. You're just going to pull your seat back, and you're going to go in from the back, and you're going to pull that emergency glow-in-the-dark handle for your trunk. So once you get that done, you're going to go back here, and you're going to undo these wires right here. And what happens is they put these too short, and you got to extend the wires, and you got to connect them back. So there's going to be, I believe there's 11 push-in clips right here. You're going to remove those. You're going to take a flathead or some kind of pry bar. You're going to pry this open by here. You're going to pop this. You're going to disconnect this right here so you can get this off. Once you get that off, you're going to, there's two clips up here for your brake lights and your lights. You want to pop those off. You want to pop this off right here. Pop this rivet up. This little zip tie thing. Just get a flathead in there. And you want to basically make it where you can pull this wire harness over so you can get better access to the wires. So what we're going to be doing, we're going to be soldering it, extra wire onto it. Hey YouTube, it's your boy Prince John. We're back out of here with another video. Today we're going to be fixing the trunk release on my G35. It's broke. When you hit the button or when you hit the switching inside by the steering column, it doesn't open. So to get your trunk open, there's a hidden feature in the G35. Okay YouTube, so once you get your wire out, you want to get enough room so you can push it up in the liner right here so you can come out of the backside where this green wire is, where it cut. Well, some people do all of it, but I'm just going to fix it right now with the green wire because that's the one that was disconnected. You want to take your two wires that you want to splice, you want to twist them together like that. You're going to get your solder. You want to burn it in. Now, I'm not really good at soldering, but this is as best as I can do. You want to Yeah, I'm definitely not good at soldering. But you get the idea. Kind of can see it right there. Once you get that connection soldered, you want to get some tape, electrical tape. And you want to tape it area. You want to make sure the solder is good enough where it's not going to come undone. I'm going to go ahead and do this back side too. Well, it'll be alright. I'm going to take my lighter, kind of burn some of this. Make a real good seal. Once you're done now, you want to take your wire, you want to shove it in this. You want to bring it all the way up to the outside of the other one right here, where it comes out right here. Alright, we're back at it again. So I had to cut all the way down here just to get this line, extra extension line in. Not too worried about it. I mean, I'll probably go get some more of this stuff in the store. But you want to twist these together, solder this in, then you want to put everything back together. Together like this. This is a poor solder, I'm not gonna lie. But it's gonna look like something like that. Alright, YouTube, let's put it back together and see if she works. Alright, let's try it. Alright, she works. Alright, let's put everything back together. I'm gonna put this black wire, I'm gonna tuck it in like that. Go just like that. And then the black piece right here, it just clips in like that. Well, this goes under this little piece right here. Just like that. Like that. And then pull it. And then you got these black push-in things. Alright, thank you, YouTube. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel so you can keep on seeing these videos come. Support me so I can keep on doing what I love, and so I can keep on seeing great videos. Thank you.